According to statistics, around 1 billion birds die in the United States each year, due to collisions with glass buildings. With the increasing urbanization worldwide, glass is extensively used in buildings, making it difficult for birds to distinguish and resulting in fatal collisions during their flights. The detection distance of the device is 20 to 30 meters. Using infrared sensors and AI cameras to detect approaching birds. Playing raptor sounds to drive birds away.